Recording in progress.
Good morning, all of you. Let's go ahead. Okay, carry forward and set off losses. I think I had given a couple of questions for homework at least to try. Okay, did you try, everybody? Tell me. Tried. Okay. Question number 11. Those of you tried. Good morning. Good morning. Question number 11. Those of you tried. Can you give answer for 11? Question number 11. Anybody has an answer for question number 11? Give your answers. I'll just quickly write down here. And I'll check quickly. I'll finish up one by one. Okay, okay. Okay, one answer I got. Others, all of you give me quickly. Okay, all of you give me. Okay. Anybody else? That's it. ठीक है. Fine, I'll go ahead everybody. Let's check. Question number 11. Determine the total income of Mr. Chance from the following information. Interest received on enhanced compensation. It relates to transfer of land in the financial year 13-14. Out of this 4 lakhs above, 65,000 relates to the earlier financial year 18-19, and the balance relates to the preceding year or years, whatever. What is that? I think there is a breakup of that 4 lakhs. Yes, Celia? Alright. Business laws relating to the discontinued business of AY 13-14 brought forward. AY 13-14. Is it allowed? 14 plus 8? 22 AY 21-22, I think. Is that loss lapsed? Has that loss lapsed or no? That loss has lapsed, so it has no relevance right now. Current year business income. Basically, there is no question of set off. There is no question of set off. Is it okay, everybody? So there are just hardly 2 incomes which you have to write down. I'm doing a little bit in rough. Particulars, rupees. Ready, everybody? None of your answer was correct, I think. If I go bachcho as per sequence PGBP, I have 1,10,000. That brought for bachcho I cannot set off now because it is discontinued, not discontinued, because it has 8 years has been 8 years have lapsed. 8 years have lapsed, no? So the loss has lapsed. Second, income from other sources. Under that, interest on enhanced compensation. I'm writing an inner column. Tell me why. Hey Bhagwan. Interest on enhanced compensation. See, we are now in the next to next chapter of heads of income. Means heads of income are complete. So you cannot or you should not make mistakes of heads of income. Mistakes of head of income means if I say any payment is done without TDS, and then you disallow 30, you should disallow 30%. You should now. So interest received on enhanced compensation. What happens, bacho? First of all, it is taxable in the year of receipt. Which head of income is this, by the way? iOS, na? I hope you have done this. So I hope you remember. If you don't, then again go back to the chapter and check. the textbook. It is taxable in iOS. It is taxable on receipt basis. So 4 lakhs is correct, no problem. We will not bifurcate what is of the current year and what is of the earlier years, because interest you never know but when you will actually receive, and it belongs to different years. That is completely okay. So entire income is taxable in the current year 4 lakhs, but I am taking an inner column because there is a standard deduction of 50%. I'm not using, I will not be writing the word standard deduction, but there is 50% deduction. But have we done this or no? It is not enhanced compensation, but it was not capital gains. It is interest on enhanced compensation. Have we done or no? I am not telling you something new over here, definitely. And we have done 2 or 3 questions on this in iOS chapter. Okay, irrespective of actual expenditure or any kind of legal expenditure, 50% is allowed as standard deduction. Okay, and entire amount is taxable in the current year, means basically not on accrual basis, it is taxed on receipt basis. Okay. Three lakh 10,000. Already, Leo? Those who took 4 lakhs, you have set off business loss, but that is lapsed already. 3 lakh 35,000, how you got? I don't know. Calculation error maybe. And 5 lakh 10,000, you have forgotten 50% deduction. Correct, everybody? Don't make same mistake. Make new mistakes. Those questions, cases which I have done already in classroom, you should not be making those mistakes again, na bachcho. So 11 is done. Then there is okay. In fact, I keep that question at the last of the chapter. I have given you for homework, for just for time pass, so that you'll be a little bit occupied. 15 you have to do, no? Fifteen is very tough, so I don't expect you to give me correct answers. But I can ask you. At least I can ask you, but still I can ask you. Let us see some things. How much have you done correctly? Question number 15 was very big. Wait. Let me just wait. I'll ask you. Yes, if I take the final answer of all of you, I'll get a variety of answer. I am quite sure of that. Question number 15, bachcho, was a very lengthy question. I think we had a little bit discussion about it. Or maybe I went through it and changed the dates. What is asked, obviously? Total income, no? Compute total income. Now give me your figures of total income. Total income means, bachcho, I hope you're giving me net total income, okay? Net taxable income. Do you have that or no? All of you. 732, okay. 4.6, okay. 145,709, okay. Anybody else? Indrajit, Akshay? Anybody else? NTI? I hope you're giving me NTI. Shall we try, all of you? Shall we check this? See, I told you I'll get a variety of answers for sure. This happens. 7 lakh, 1 lakh, 4 lakh. Alright. Fine. Done till here, everybody? For sure. So let's start. Okay? Nobody else? Akshay, Indrajit, no answer? Alright, let's start, bachcho. Okay. Income from business before adjusting the following items. Business loss brought forward from AY 1718. Allowed? Yes. Current depreciation allowed? Yes. Another depreciation of the earlier year? Obviously also allowed. But here I hope you know we should take some, there is a priority to set off. Yeah, na? So I'm just giving you here a star mark. There has to be a priority to set up. But who will give first priority? Current year depreciation. Correct? Then brought forward business loss and then unabsorbed depreciation. Income from hospitality GAV is given to you. Municipal taxes paid. Then obviously reduce it from that GAV. Krishna sold a plot on 12th September for 6,40,000, which had been purchased by him on 20th December 15 at a cost of 4,10,000. LTCL on sale of shares through recognized stock exchange. Long-term capital gain on sale of debentures. Dividend and shares as held as stock in. Does it matter? Tell me this. Dividend held on shares. Shares held as stock in trade. Means who is the assessee trader? Yes? Agreed or no? Shares held as stock in trade means a trader. And he is receiving dividend. Which income? Which head of income? PGPP or iOS? Correct, Mansi. Very good. Hey Bhagwan. Tell me Kushbu. Nitin, Indrajit. Nitin has given the answer. Indrajit, Akshay. You are not revising, guys. There is a clear-cut statement I have given in iOS chapter that dividend bachcho on shares will always be taxable under iOS, even if the shares are held as stock in trade. Okay, all of you? Fine? Give it a star mark here. This is iOS. And dividend from a company carrying on agricultural business exempt or taxable. Taxable. This also I discussed yesterday only. Dividend is taxable, bachcho. The company may be doing agricultural activities or not, we don't care. You know, this is corporate wheel, maintaining of corporate wheel. Company is different, dividend is different. Anyways, during the year, Krishna has repaid 167 towards housing loan. He has taken the loan from a proper scheduled bank. Out of this 167, 97 was towards payment of interest and rest towards principal payments. Tell me, bachcho, what is the impact of 97,000 towards interest? This will go under bachcho 24B. Correct, Elia? Very good, Mansi. And this will go where? The remaining 1,67,000 minus 97,000. 67,000 and plus 3. 71. Sorry, 70. Very good, Mansi. Others? Akshay, Indrajit. What will you do of the remaining amount? 70,000. No idea? Did you read the statement? Did you understand what is happening? He has repaid total 1,67,000. This is first of all payment, not income. Has repaid 1,67,000 towards home loan. EMI total for the year, okay, is 167. Out of that 167, 97,000 is interest. That means remaining is what? Principal. What do we do? No, beta. 1/5 comes for pre-concession period interest, beta. They have not given any details of pre-concession period interest and all of that. है ना? All of you better start practicing, especially those who are giving only one group of the chapters which are already done. Okay? The remaining amount, bachcho, is paid towards principal amount of the loan. It goes in ATC deduction, bachcho. We have done this in house property chapter. Okay? We have done this in house property chapter. Anyways, chalo, let's write down the basics itself, bachcho. You are not able to revise properly. Your basics are clear, but revision is not there. So let me write down the losses and the income for the sake of table, making a table. Around 1,45,000, I think the answer is correct. Others start writing, or even you can start writing, but write them properly now. Okay? Loss and income. Chalo. There is PGPP, but normal business income first of all. Correct, na? 175. So I'm writing a normal business income. Yes, Chalia? Then HP, house property income. Then there may be capital gain. I'm not sure because you'll have to do the indexation, bachcho. You know, from 2015 to the current year. This is 22, na? So it may be LTCG. So I'll write down bachcho LTCG. So first of all, you have to also calculate LTCG, by the way. है ना? LTCG. Then there is LTCL, however, long-term capital loss on sale of shares, correct? LTCL. Then long-term capital gain is there on sale of debentures, so I'll just keep it LTCG only. Then dividend, bacho, is income from other sources. And again, dividend is there. Okay. And these are all your 24B payments and ATC payments, so nothing else over there. But here also we have bacho some expenditure. Current and depreciation, bacho, obviously we have to debit from normal business income. And unobserved, bacho, can be taken. You tell me. I want answer. Unobserved depreciation. You can set off from where? Unobserved depreciation. Very good, Khushbu. Except, answer is correct right now for the correct. Except salary, bacho. You can set off unobserved depreciation. First priority again will go to give to PGVP. But even if PGVP is not there, you can go to other heads of income. This I think some of you might have missed. Maybe that's the reason you're getting 7 lakh and 4 lakh answer. Maybe. So always be careful with unobserved depreciation. Okay. Because if there is balance, you can take it anywhere. Okay. Chalo. So there was not that tough for setting off. Okay. Now, brought forward business loss. I'm writing that also. It belongs to which AY, बच्चों? AY 17-18 है ना? 17-18. 18 plus 8, obviously, बच्चों, it is still under your AY 23-24. So it is allowed, but only from normal business income. Okay, so LTCL, बच्चों, only LTCG. Remaining is no. Correct, everybody? We can't adjust there. Brought forward business loss only against normal business income. So yes, here. And remaining, बच्चों, here it is no. Clear till here? But your unobserved depreciation, बच्चों, everywhere in this example, yes. So I'm writing here again for your understanding. Unabsorbed depreciation. Ready, everybody? Chalo. Computation of income of Krishna for AY 2024. Chalega? So particulars, rupees. Ready, everybody? First, do you have income from salaries given in the question? No. So I'll take income from house property. Okay. We have given to a GAV, gross annual value. Correct, no? Where it is? 4 lakh 32, I'm taking in inner column. 4 lakh 32. Less what? Municipal taxes paid. I hope you remember the rules. Municipal taxes paid by the owner during the previous year. That was the rule. Bacho. Correct, everybody? That figure is also given to you, 32,000. What do you arrive at? NAV, net annual value, 4 lakhs. Less. Deduction under section 24. 24A, standard deduction at the rate of 30% of NAV. अरे हाँ ना, 4 3 12, so 1,20,000. And 24B, बच्चों, interest on borrowed capital. I hope you understand why I've taken it. I have taken so many questions for every chapter. It should be fixed it should be in your blood. That yes, I know the format, I know everything, all the concepts. You should practice so much that you can't go wrong. Okay? So you need to revise that much, bachcho. Interest on borrowed capital is given to you here. 97,000 was paid towards interest. Okay? 97,000. Any other adjustment required yet now from XP? No. चलो गिव मी दिस फिगर. Income from HP 1,83,000. This much. How many of you got it correct? Be very honest. Sir, Acha, Mansi got correct. Sir, in this tax question can comprise of every chapter. हाँ बेटा. And that is chapter number 15 by the way. Okay, Akshay. There was nothing at all unique or different of this part from HP part, okay, house property part. Nothing. This was straightforward question. You just had some details were given up and some details were given down, which you have already. You do this in accounts. Details are given everywhere, adjustment, etc. Assumed and as computed. Okay. HP bachcho, I was expecting at least that you will do it correctly. House property. Okay, done till here. I have not yet done Setoff, so this is income from HP 183. But there is a possibility or no? Tell me, there is a possibility for unobserved depreciation. But look over there. Unobserved depreciation is how much, bachcho? 1,55,000. And if at all, 1,55,000, no? Check here. Your current year business income is just 175. You'll have to bachcho, provide for current year depreciation. Then also again provide for brought forward business loss. Obviously, bachcho, unobserved depreciation will not be able to fulfill completely. So you'll have to go to the other heads of income. Are you getting my point? I may have to come back to HP. I said I may. I will. I'm not saying that. Why? I'll tell you that also. So let's go ahead, everybody. Are you okay till here? Second, income from business or basically PGBP. Then I'm just writing बच्चों income, है ना everybody? Normal business income is how much given to you? 1,75,000, है ना? First, what do we reduce बच्चों? Current year depreciation 40,000. Yes. Then less. What do we reduce then? Brought forward business loss. Also allowed, also allowed. How much I have remaining? 135 I have remaining. And brought forward is how much? 70. At least I'll take a balance over here right now. है ना? 110 gone ना? तो 65,000 बच्चों पे remaining. अरे हाँ, balance. What will I reduce now? I will reduce बच्चों unabsorbed depreciation. Or it is also called as brought forward depreciation. Unabsorbed depreciation. Now, unabsorbed depreciation, again, I'm telling you, bachcho, unabsorbed depreciation bachcho, can be carried forward indefinitely. I hope that much is clear. The amount given to you right now is 155, but I'll adjust only 65,000. Correct here? Basically, nothing comes out of PGPP in the outer column. But I'm writing here balance unabsorbed is 1,55,000. Minus 65 is how much बच्चों? 90,000 ना? Clear till here? Can I reduce or no बच्चों? Tell me. From house property 90,000. I can. But बच्चों currently I will not. Ready? Done till here? Third. You have star mark here so that you'll remember that you have to give adjustment of unobserved depreciation. Ready? Chalo, third one, bachcho. What do we have? Let's go to capital gains. So income from capital gains, okay? First, LTCG on debentures, which I am quite sure that I'll write down, बच्चों, है ना? because they are given to us on sale of debentures. It is 60,000 only, है ना? Second. Now it is LTCG or LTCL, I don't know. Okay, so I'll have to write down that. On sale of land, are you getting my point or no? Sale of land. Sale of land. I hope you're understanding what I'm talking about. This sold a plot, है ना? This one. Finally, so that for that I'll do working note. Some of you are asking, sir, can we have a merger of all the chapters together? Because there is an adjustment for house property which we may not have revised. Then capital gain again indexation or iOS, that 50% reduction. The last chapter of your syllabus is that only. Computation of total income. Your client will come to you, but not only you do house property, he'll go to another CA, you do PGBP, he will go to another third CA, he'll do iOS, and then the client will compute on his own. No. The first, correct Mansi, the first question of your paper, if at all you checked earlier attempts first paper, the first question, it is computation of total income. The question bacho itself goes for 2 to 3 pages. 14 marks. 14 marks out of 60 marks is not a joke. More than 20%, 22, whatever, 25%, whatever that is. Whatever that is. You should process the entire syllabus, yeah, for that one question. But I don't advise students to solve that first because it takes 45 minutes minimum, okay, to solve it properly, fully. I tell them to solve it at the end. Anyways, but yes, that is entire syllabus is given. You will get the stepwise marking. You will obviously get it. But what if you do very big error? Gross error means big errors in the very beginning. And then everything whatever compute later on is all wrong. है ना? Chalo, so leave some line बच्चों for capital gains etc. Okay, and 5-6 lines. I'll do the working note here. First one, capital gains on sale of land. Particulars rupees. Particulars rupees. Ready till here, all of you? First one, I'm just not first one. I'm just starting about sale consideration. Sale consideration बच्चों 6,40,000. They can complicate this question also. They can give you SDV, stamp duty valuation. They can give you a rent agreement or this date of agreement, date of registration. It is not that tough. Okay, they can do anything, bachcho. Sale consider 6,40,000 less. I'm writing now. Is it index cost of acquisition? Yes. Where it is? When did you purchase? December 15. So yes, more than 2 years, na? Less index cost of acquisition. Pune. तुम कहाँ से हो भाई जेठा? Index cost of acquisition. How much it purchased for? 4,10,000, correct? So tell me, current CII was how much? 331. Current CII was how much? 331, okay. And December 15, that is what's PY? PY 1516. This you will be given in the question. So don't worry. Give me this bacho CII of 1516 PY. 254, thank you Mansi. Chalo, 331 upon 254 into 4,10,000. At least this much you got correct. Others, capital gain. I don't know you computed or not. 331 upon 254 into 4,10,000. Give me this figure. 534 to 91. Thank you. 534 to 91. So, but it is LTCG. Okay, it is gain. LTCG on sale of land. Yes, Shalia? Lower figure, but still it is there. Thank you. 1,05,709. 1,05,709. Yes, still here? All of you fine? So still, bachcho, we have gain only. This is done till here, Akshay. Where is Indrajit? 1,05,709. So it is LTCG on sale of land. Fine till here? So balance बच्चों here we have 165,709 है ना. One 165,709. Fine till here. Do I have LTCL? Did you check in the table? This table. That's it, you have given the answers. LTCL, yes, obviously will be allowed to be reduced from LTCG. So less. LTCL on I think sale of shares है ना. 75,000 बच्चों. How much this comes to? 90,000 is it? 9709 is it बच्चों? Correct ना? $90,709 right now बच्चों I have balance in my capital gain है ना. Positive, that means again it is profit. Fine till here. Again leave one line over here. And do I have bachcho now other heads of income? Yes, income from other sources. Okay, I have bachcho income from other sources I have. Okay. Fourth. Both are dividend income, so I'm just putting them together. Okay, dividend income. How much? 22 and 10, 32,000. Okay, everybody. $32,000. Fine till here, all of you. Is it okay? Chalo. Jetha bhai, I told you I'm from Pune. Where are you from, Jetha bhai? Now what adjustment is remaining? You tell me now. What adjustment is remaining? Very good, Mansi. Unabsorbed. Correct, Khushbu. Good. Unabsorbed depreciation. Yes, still here? The question is, I don't know how many will understand this. How many options do I have? This house property which I have written there in the outer column, but theek hai. Before I do adjustment of unabsorbed depreciation, how many options I have? I have house property. I can also adjust from LTCG. I can also adjust from iOS. These three options I have. Okay, very good, Jetha. Jetha bhai. Which level? Foundation, inter, final? Tell me, bachu, all of you, let me ask you a question. From where should I adjust my unobserved depreciation? How much I have, by the way, unobserved depreciation? 90,000. From where should I reduce? HP, LTCG or iOS? I have three options. This is a tax planning, let us say. This is proper tax planning. When you have the legal option, you will choose the best. What are the best? Okay, Jeta bhai. When is your attempt? May 23? Okay, house property because it has the highest income, that's why. Okay, that is the logic. 183. I will बच्चों give group 2 exam convert. क्या बात है, सही है, मजे तुम्हारे. What plans now? What about group 1, Jeta? ITT OC हो गया. Now understand, use common sense. Pay attention, use common sense. If I add these three figures, don't do that, but understand. If I add these three figures, this, LTCG, and iOS. है ना? I add these three figures and reduce 90,000 of unobserved depreciation. It is going to reduce ना? It is going to reduce. अरे हाँ या ना? Minus. So my final answer बच्चों GTI gross total income is going to be same whether you reduce from HP or LTCG or iOS. You will say sir iOS is only 32,000. अरे हाँ, so I'll reduce from iOS and remaining from somebody else. Overall I can reduce from all three ना. My gross total income बच्चों even if you choose HP or LTCG or iOS, my GTI is going to be same. Okay. So saying that my tax liability will reduce, that may not be the answer. Why? Because my GTI will come as same even if I reduce from HP or only LTCG or iOS plus LTCG also for that matter. 32,000 from iOS, remaining 62,000 from CG or HP. Think, how can I reduce my tax? इसको क्या हो गया अभी? हाँ रतन, मेरा लेक्चर नहीं है, मैथ्स लिखा है उधर ग्रुप में. हाँ ठीक है, मैम का है. आई विल रिड्यूस बच्चों फ्रॉम LTCG. ये इंद्रजीत बोल रहा है ट्रांसफर. अरे क्या इंद्रजीत, वाई विल बी ब्रॉट कैरीड फॉरवर्ड बेटा. आई एम अलाउड टू रिड्यूस. आई रिड्यूस फ्रॉम कैपिटल गेन्स because चलो I'll reduce from LTCG. Why? What did you learn only then in LTCG? I think at times. Then what is the logic? Why LTCG? So what is the rate then? बच्चों, house property gets taxed at slab rates, 5%, 20%, 30%. LTCG there's a flat rate of 20%. Always understand LTCG 20% and STCG 15% is a very big problem. Big problem is it is flat rate. Flat rate means what, bachcho? It will be directly taxed as such. Yes, still here all of you. And I hope you remember at times in LTCG you can't reduce what? Chapter 60 deduction. Yes, everybody. Always try to finish capital gains first. Finish means what? Reduce it as much as possible. Just keep that basic thing in mind. At least. Okay, all of you? Pakka? Now here maybe bachcho, there may be this whatever income may be bachcho less than basic exemption limit. That is okay. There may be also a case of unexhausted BEL, unexhausted basic exemption limit. That is also okay. But what if it is not? What if my house property income is 11 lakhs or 12 lakhs already? Correct, na? Understood? We have done, I think, tax liability calculation. I think we should add two things: at normal tax rates and at special tax rates. We have done this or no? Tell me this. Somewhere you have done it, I think capital gain somewhere. Okay? So write down, chalo. We'll write on as notes later on. So less, I'm writing bacho under LTCL. I mean, sorry, this 90,000. Okay, less. I'm writing a balance LTCG. ठीक है, लेस अनएब्जॉर्ब डेप्रिसिएशन बच्चों. So remaining from CG only 709, remaining from iOS 32,000. Okay, everybody. Now बच्चों, where do I reach? Gross total income, है ना? How much is this? GTI 215,709 less chapter 60 deduction. Under that first section 80C home loan principal. Okay, repayment. Is it 70,000 बच्चों? 70. correct na? Totally paid 167. Out of that, 97 is for principal. So remaining 67 plus 3, 70,000 is towards principal. 70,000. Okay, till here. How much bachcho is this? 145. 709. है ना? Good, Mansi. Keep it up. Good, good, good. That was one of the answers given. Okay, everybody? I'm just writing here net total income. Then we write as notes also. है ना? Ready? Niraj is okay till here? चलेगा. That is okay. That is okay. If they ask you tax if you have reduced unobserved depreciation from house property, that is also okay, because you have option. If they use the word find a solution for the best tax liability. Now, best tax liability means the least tax liability. For that, then it is expected that you reduce from capital gain. Okay. I have given you tax calculator, by the way, or I had shown you on the tax calculator on income tax website for your calculation if you want, or even you can do on your own. You can take reduce from HP, है ना? So we'll put the final figure of house property, बच्चों. Those of you reduce from house property, है ना? Then you can put that in under LTCG, this figure, total whatever it was, 90,709, and IOS 32,000. You can calculate tax liability. And you can, there is another way, or you can say other option, reduce the unobserved depreciation from capital gains. So CG will be only 709, whatever we are showing right now. Remaining balance in HP, and here 32,000 bachcho, and then check. Okay. Or if at all you want, you can just directly add IOS as, let us say, 5,32,000, so that you will not have a case of less than basic exemption limit. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to tell you, just for the sake of comparison, if you want. Okay. Because in both the cases, what is happening? It is coming less than BEL, basic exemption limit. है ना? If you want for time pass, you can do that. Put dividend income as 532 and check in both the cases. Write on the note, everybody. Here, put your write down refer note 2. Refer note 2. It is preferable to reduce from CG. That's why I'm writing this note. Okay. Ready, everybody? Give a star mark here, please. Unobserved depreciation. Can be set off against any head of income except salaries. Except salaries. Yes, till here? We reduced it from LTCG. We reduce it from LTCG since it has a higher tax rate of how much, bachcho? Of 20%. Fine till here, all of you? Done? Which one else was for homework? 16. 16, I hope, was not that tough. Ready? Give me your answers. Okay. All of you answer. Okay. Akshay, homework not done? Indrajit? 16. Ready, everybody? Okay, 12,500. ठीक है. Ready, all of you? Simran engaged in various type of activities gives following details of the year. Profit of business of consumer and household products. Loss from business of ready-made garments. So both are बच्चों normal business income and normal business loss. Brought forward business loss of catering business which was closed in AY 1920 allowed. Even if the business is closed, you can set off. Short-term loss on sale of securities and shares LTC, STCL, short-term capital loss. Profit on transactions, speculative income. Loss from speculative transaction from AY 1516 बच्चों gone. 16 na 17 18 19 20 AY 1920 gone. That means that loss has lapsed. Correct earlier? It was not that tough question. What incomes you have? So loss here, income here. You have बच्चों normal business income. But you also have बच्चों normal business loss. Correct earlier? Then you have brought forward business loss. Brought forward normal business. Then there is short-term capital loss and there is speculative income. Find it here. Normal business loss, बच्चों. Tell me, it can be adjusted against normal business income. Can normal business loss be reduced from speculative income? This is where most of you have made, not most of you, but some of you have done mistakes. It is also allowed, बच्चों. Normal business loss, बच्चों, can be reduced from speculative income. Yes, it can be also reduced from specified business. This we had covered on the first page. Yes, when I give you homework, obviously I expect that you read the theory also, no? In front of you. I hope you're doing that. Anyways, let's go ahead, everybody. Brought forward business loss, बच्चों. Again, both over there, I'm going to say yes or no. In the current year, it is allowed. So even in the brought forward, बच्चों, it is allowed. But short-term capital loss, only short-term gain or long-term gain. So no over here. And everybody, particles rupees. Done till here, all of you. Let's start. First one, business income. Normal business income. That household products. How much? 2 lakhs. Less. Ready-made garments. Business loss. How much? I'll reduce बच्चों 2 lakhs. I'm running a balance is how much? Rupees 1 lakh loss. Correct earlier, all of you? Can I reduce that or no, बच्चों, from speculative income? I can, na, बच्चों. And second, we have speculative income. Is 12,500 current year, है ना? Less important. Here, some of you forgot. I can't reduce speculative loss because it has lapsed. But I can reduce बच्चों current year business loss or brought forward business loss, है ना? Total income. Finally, your notes. First one. Losses to be carried forward. Let's start. Look at the question always first, okay? Ready-made garments loss there is still there? Yes. So loss rupees years. You can write it entire story. That means what? It was initially 3 lakhs loss. Then you reduce out 2 lakhs from normal business income. Correct, everybody? And then you reduce from it again 12,500. So 87,500. No, it is current year, no? But so you can take it for total 8 years. Alright, tell you, everybody. Done? STCL 15,000. Again, total 8 years. And third, speculative. 15. This is also 15,000. Already lapsed. Okay, lapsed after AY 1920, है ना? Simple till here, I hope, not that tough. Catering is there. Why have we not taken that? Actually, we can take it, no? Sorry. Yeah, you're right. Everything 15,000 only. What? Brought forward business catering. $15,000. Total 8 years. We'll add on year also, but till AY. It is how much? But AY 28, no? Then 27, 28. Yes, Celia, all of you. Yes, everybody. Should we go ahead? Solve next question. Seventeen. Ready, all of you? Question number 17. Mr. P, a resident individual, furnishes following details of his income and so forth. Previous year 22, 23. Income from salary, these are very small figures. Okay. Net annual value of HP. Income from business, income from speculative business, LTC on sale of land, loss on maintenance of race horses, loss on gambling, useless loss, that is depreciation allowable as per income tax is 8,000, which for which no treatment is given above. That means you will have to provide for depreciation first, है ना? The other details of unabsorbed depreciation and brought forward losses pertaining to AY 1920. Okay, change the year 1920 are given below. Another depreciation loss from speculative. Do you have which is speculative income? Yes. It is which AY 1920. We can take it. Yes, it is the last year, no then. And short-term capital loss. Do we have long-term capital gains or short-term capital gains? Yes, it is brought forward. Yes, we can adjust, बच्चों. अरे हाँ. Over here. Correct. Compute GTI Mr. Fee for AY 23-24. And the amount of loss that can or cannot be carried forward. You want to try this? I'll make the first table with you and then you can try. That first regular normal table which we do. है ना? Ready? You have salary income, HP, normal business, then we have speculative business, correct लिया? Then we have LTCG, my goodness, so much we have. Then we have racehorse business loss. It is useless because there is no income like that. Gambling, so I'm not even writing you because you know it is useless again. Depression will provide. Brought forward. Speculative. Brought forward. Short-term capital loss. And unabsorbed depreciation. चलेगा? Racehorse, but everywhere no, because it can be set off only against racehorse income. Yes, Celia? Brought forward speculative, bachcho, tell me. It speculative can be set up only against speculative. So only for bachcho speculative I'll say yes. Remaining are no. STCL bachcho only against LTCG. Remaining no. Another depreciation bachcho only salary no. Remaining yes. Try. चलेगा ना? Try it बच्चों, come on. Pen drive students, app students also first try, get an answer and then start the video again. Okay?
Recording stopped.
Can you start? Okay, Indrajit.
Recording in progress.
Particulars rupees. Finally, all of you. Let's start. Income from look at this question. No, everywhere, बच्चों. Salary you cannot adjust anything. So income from salaries is outer column. What answers I got? 1,67,000. Then what else? One lakh 67,000. 1,59,000. 1,38,000. Okay, fine. Income from salary is 18,000. ठीक है. Second, income from HP. NAV is given to you 70,000. I hope you have not taken 70,000 in the outer column. Have you taken 70,000 as outer column, बच्चों? Income from HP. $21,000 reduced. अरे हाँ. Not done or what? 49,000 है ना बच्चों? Done till here all of you? 138. Or one. अच्छा, okay, Khushbu. Fine. Then I'm just keeping it still in the inner column so that if at all I want to make any adjustments of unabsorbed depreciation, I'll do it. Unabsorbed depreciation is only 9,000 by the way. Then business income. Income from business, normal business income I'm writing here. $80,000. And everybody, 80,000. $80,000. Okay, everybody. Less. For this, now look at the table. Only unabsorbed depreciation is allowed? No. Current depreciation. First, बच्चों current depreciation ना? That adjustment is remaining. तो बच्चों less current year depreciation. 8,000. Yes, still here all of you. $72. And less again, बच्चों here again now, yes. Other adjustment is what? Of unabsorbed depreciation. Is how much, बच्चों? 9,000. Yes? 63,000. Do I have anything to be reduced from house property, बच्चों? Only was unabsorbed depreciation possible, so even now that is gone. So I can take HP outer column, 49,000. Fine till here all of you? Even normal business, everything done. I can take bunch of normal also, but outside 63,000. Yes, still here. Fourth, this is done A part in PGBP. Second, next income. What do I have? Speculative income. Yes, all of you. Speculative income. Ij. 12,000. Less. Am I allowed or no? It is for AY 1920. So 21, 22, 23, 24. AY 23, 24. That is our last year. We can take it. So, less. Brought forward. Speculative loss. There will be balance in that loss also. है ना? Speculative बच्चों, nothing, nil. Done till here. And then what do you have? LTCG, fourth. Okay, LTCG, how much do you have? Current year, 15,800. Am I allowed, बच्चों? STCL, yes. 8 years it is allowed, na? So less. Brought forward STCL of 7,800. 8,000 बच्चे balance. Yesterday, anything else I can reduce over from there? Nothing. 8,000. Any other adjustment? No. Okay. $1,38,000. Fine till here, all of you? ठीक है, let's go ahead everybody. चलो notes again, losses to be carried forward. Losses to be carried forward. Again, always go back to the question. Okay, so type of loss, amount, yours. First, racehorse business. How much बच्चों? 9,000. How many years? Is it 4 years बच्चों? Yes, total 4 years. Gambling loss. How much it is? 8,000. Dead loss. Dead loss. Dead loss, that is no set off, no carry forward. Correct, Ilya? Is speculative remaining बच्चों? Write down the figure. That is interesting now. Speculative. How much remains now? 4,000, na? It was 16,000. You set off बच्चों how much? 12. 4,000 remains. Is it okay? It was, sorry, brought forward speculative. Brought forward from AY. 1920. Correct, Ilya? What will happen बच्चों over here? Tell me. What is happening over here? Tell me. How many years now? Lapse, correct. Lapse after AY 2024, therefore no carry forward. Alright, till here, all of you. Done, everybody? What to do after lapse? That means it is gone. You can't carry it forward. Lapse, what do you mean by lapse? That uh, right itself is now gone. You can't carry it forward. Ready? One more big question. Indrajit. Question number 20. Okay, Indrajit, good. Let's go ahead, everybody. Mr. Rajat submits the following information for the financial year ending 31st March 23. He desires that he should compute total income and the amount of losses that can be carried forward. Chalega? He has two houses, house number 1, house number 2. Income after all statutory deductions, and house 2 is current year loss. He has 3 businesses. Textile business discontinued from 31st October 22. Therefore, current year loss 40,000. Brought forward business loss from AY 18-19. Chemical business, okay? Chemical business. That chemical business is brought forward. I mean, that is loss, but still. Then, sorry. Same business, okay. Textile business only, sorry. Then chemical business discontinued from March 2020. Therefore, no profit, no loss of the current year. But bad debts allowed in earlier years received during the current year, 35,000. Okay. Then, brought forward business loss of AY 2021. AY 2021. Loss. What income is he making then? Leather business profit during the current year, 1 lakh. Share of profit in the firm in which he is a partner since 2008, 9, 10, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay. Short-term capital gain, long-term capital loss. Wow, beta. Contribution towards LIC, contribution to LIC towards premium. This is what, bacho? This is what? What effect or what impact will you take? Correct. हाँ, but less from which section? Give me section. Others. Correct. This is ATC, bacho. Chapter 60 deduction. Yes, still here. Let's write down. Chalo. The table will help you quite easier to do through table, है ना? What table? Yes, Indrajit got it. Loss oblique income, है ना? Ready, everybody? Then there is a HP loss as well as HP income, also house property, है ना? So house property income as well as house property loss, है ना? So loss here in the rows as such and columns for income. Then currently, bacho, we have nothing about speculative, textile, chemical, leather. All are bacho normal, है ना? Ready? Then you have normal business income. And also normal business loss. And then bacho, you also have brought forward business loss, है ना bacho? Brought forward normal business loss. Find till here. अरे हाँ. All right. But you have short-term capital gain income you have here and long-term capital loss. Fine. Nothing else as such unique, है ना? चलो HP loss from HP income, yes. HP loss बच्चों is allowed everywhere or not, tell me. At least in this question. It is allowed in fact even from salaries also, no? Yes. So we can reduce. What about normal business loss? In the current year. HP also yes. And normal also yes. And sorry, HTC also yes, na, by the way. Yeah. Everywhere yes, na? Except salary, correct. But brought forward bacho only same head of income. And LTCL bacho, it can't go anywhere because it can go only against LTCG. Yes, still here all of you. Done till here, everybody? चलो, computation of total income. Of Rajat. For AY 2024, particulars rupees. You want to try? Everybody? Pen students, app students, hello, you also do it. And then only restart the video, okay?
Recording stopped.
So I'm keeping the details in front of you, so you will be able to see everything. Solve all of you. Okay, Mansi. Yes, that is correct. Okay, Nitin. Can you start? Indrajit, how much? Okay. Okay, Indrajit. How much, Kushbu? Okay. Akshay? Okay. करूँ चालू? Let's start.
Recording in progress.
92,000 is correct. Shruti after income tax. Mostly after 1.5 weeks. Okay, Akshay, fine. No, you are not wrong. You have given me GTA, I think, then Akshay. है ना? This remaining last 10,000 is to be reduced. Your answer is GTA, I think. Write down. HP. Ready, everybody? Income from house property. Income from house property, बच्चों. First income you have 72,000. Correct, लिया. Less. Current year HP loss 30,000. Obviously, we can set off against each other. That is what 42,000 remaining with us in house property. Yes. Temporarily, just try to keep it like that. If at all we need to make some adjustments, we'll do it. We right now don't have any unobserved depreciation, but still, so that they can take all the totals later on as a habit. Okay. Then we come to the BGBP, so business income. Yes, all of you. Everybody ready? You can go business wise is also okay. If something remains from one business, we can take it in another business. Okay. So let's go, bachcho, business wise, textile business. Do we have income? There is no income, bachcho. Okay. So textile business, I'm just writing as it is right now, nil. No income is not there, na? But do we have textile business current year loss as well as brought forward loss? Answer is yes. Okay. So be careful. Now chemical business, bachcho, do we have any income? Chemical. Tell me chemical, bachcho, chemical. Chemical business, tell me. Chemical business, bachcho, it is discontinued. So current year, no income, no loss, nothing. Bad debts allowed earlier is recovered during this year. What will happen? It is income. Bad debt which recovered is income. 35,000. Are you understanding or no? Everybody? Huh? Finally, and also, bacho, let me add leather business also over here. Because all three are your normal business, so I'm taking all of them, all the incomes together. Leather business. Income is what? 1 lakh. Okay, everyone tell you. So total, bacho, I have 1,35,000 with me. All right. Yes, Indrajit, correct. What bacho should we do first? What should we reduce first? What I have to reduce, by the way, look in the question. This 40,000, 95,000, 50,000. Three figures I have. 40, 95, 50. Which one should I reduce, bacho, first? Sorry. 40,000 being current year. Correct, Kushbu. Correct, Mansi. Understood, na? So less current year loss. Current year business loss. Correct. Indrajit, correct. 40,000 Papa, not 90. Which one is that? I'm writing in bracket textile. Correct, Elio? Balance is 95. Balance. Am I allowed to reduce Bacho remaining two losses brought forward? Answer is yes. AY 1819 and AY 2021. Which one should I take, Bacho? What do you think? Which one should I prefer? 95,000 or 50,000? 95,000. Not because the figures are matching. Because it is an older loss. That's it. It is an older loss. So we'll try to cover it as early as possible. That is the only logic. Okay, everybody? Nothing else remains but in PGBP. Correct, no? All of you? So PGBP is also done. Then I think we have third and head of income is capital gains, I think. You know? Income from capital gains. What do we have? Short-term capital gains. Yes, Ilya? Oh. Be careful. Can I reduce normal business loss or no? Huh? Yes. Yes, everybody? Do I have बच्चों current year loss but still? नहीं ना. Because brought forward is not allowed. Brought forward is their balance. But obviously, but current year loss is not there. So I can take बच्चों directly now STCG outer column. Understood here, everybody? Done? Tell me. हाँ ना? So बच्चों directly I'll take STCG outer column 60,000. We can't reduce, that's why. Nothing else remains. 92,000. Correct, everybody? Sorry, 16.4, no? 102. Gross total income less chapter 6 से. Yes, Indrajit. LIC प्रीमियम ना. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम 90,000. Sorry, 10,000 ना. $92,000. Just tell all of you. Notes. Losses to be carried forward. Always look in the question. Okay. Can we go ahead, everybody? HP loss, so we have finished. It is 40,000 बच्चों absorbed. That is 95,000 is also absorbed. Then we have बच्चों brought forward. Chemical business loss. चलेगा? It belongs to which year? AY 2021. Rupees 50,000. Till AY. 1 and 8, 9, no? So 2029. Tell me, right? Okay, all of you? Tell me. Correct, no? Then LTCL. 35,000 current year, no? 8 years. So plus 8, 32. 31, 32. AY 31, 32. At note number 2, bachcho. See, whatever may be given in the question and you have not done any adjustment of it or you are ignoring it, you should give it as a note. Okay, what are we ignoring, bachcho? Share of profit in a firm in which he is a partner. So share of profit bachcho is exempt under section 10 2A. है ना? Sorry, share of profit is exempt in the hands of partner. They may also but to give you loss, huh? By the way, please understand. They may also give you loss from partnership firm. Don't do any kind of adjustment over there. Right, tell you, all of you, why? Because if the profit is exempt, the loss also but has to be ignored. Yes, still here, all of you? Fine, Indrajit?
Recording stopped.
We'll take a break and then finish off this chapter. Chalega? I hardly 2-3 questions remaining now. I think so. Yeah, remaining. Sorry. $15 चलेगा चलो टेक अ ब्रेक बच्चों है ना फाउंडेशन लॉ से बहुत फटती है ना सबकी। अभी नहीं फटती इंटर में। हे भगवान। ठीक है। चालू करें। हाँ सॉरी, चलो। सॉरी गाइज। किधर थे हम लोग? इंद्रजीत है क्या उधर? और अच्छा इधर है। इधर चला मैं उधर चला, इंद्रजीत किधर भी चला। कल इंद्रजीत मोटा भाई को मिल के आया, कह रहे कैसा लग रहा है आपको मोटा भाई से मिलने के बाद? फुदकता रहता है वो। कह रहे तू फुदकता रहता है इधर उधर, ऐसा हमको सुनने में आया। अच्छा मतलब उसको कुछ और बोलने का है। समझ गया मैं। इधर उधर फुदकता रहता है इंद्रजीत, ऐसा आरोप लगाया गया आपके ऊपर। बेसिकली तुम एक जगह पे कांस्टेंट नहीं हो, है ना? सही बोला ना? चलो स्टार्ट बच्चों। रेडी एवरीबॉडी?
Recording in progress.
Let's go ahead. I think what one or two questions are remaining. Let's quickly have a look. Look. 9 is done. 10 is what we are going to do now. Wow. This is remaining. Okay. ठीक है. We'll cover this then first. No problem. 19 ना. Remaining are MCQ. Let's do 19. Everybody ready? 19, 11.12. Ready, everybody? Question number 19. Mr. Aditya furnished the following details for the year ended 31st March 22. Loss from speculative business A, income from speculative business B. There are speculative, okay, speculative. Loss from specified business 35 AD. Income from salary computed. Loss from HP computed. Income from trading business, normal business, okay, they have not given anything. Trading means normal, buying and selling, okay. Trader is different, bacho. The trader of our stock exchange, what we discuss, is different concept. Trading business, buying and selling. Long-term capital gain on from sale of urban land. Long-term capital loss from sale of shares. No problem. Long-term capital loss on sale of listed shares on in RSC. SAD paid at the time of acquisition and sale, but this is loss, no? Okay. No problem. We can set it off. Brought forward losses. Losses from owning and maintaining of resources pertaining to AY 21-22. 22,000 rupees. Oops. Nothing great. Brought forward loss from trading business 5,000 relating to AY 18-19. Compute income of Aditya and show eligible items for carry forward. Not that tough. I hope so. I'll prepare that first table with you. Again, I'm repeating, the table is not required in the main examination. It is only for your understanding. Okay. It becomes easier basically to have a summary of the entire question. So here, bachcho, we have speculative loss. And we also have bachcho speculative income. Then bachcho, we have 35 AD loss. Salary, obviously always income. HP loss. Then I'm writing normal business. Okay, that trading means normal business. Fine. LTCG we have. And LTCL twice we have. Brought forward racehorse, bachcho, it is quite easy for you to understand. We'll just directly write it as a note. We don't have racehorse income, racehorse business income, so it will not be set off. And what do we have? Brought forward 18-19. Chalega, that we can write down. Brought forward normal business. Okay, everybody? Trading means, again I'm repeating, it is normal business. Just simply buying and selling. Yes, Celia? Can you go ahead, everybody? Speculative loss, tell me. Speculative loss, bachcho, only speculative income. Nowhere else. 35 AD, bachcho, only against 35 AD income. Nowhere else. HP loss against everybody, bachcho. No, salary is there. Salary is also there, sorry. So allowed na against salary. Salary is so sensitive, no? You have to be very careful. LTCL, bachcho, only against LTCG. Remaining no. And brought forward normal business loss. Tell me. Hey, pagal aurat. Brought forward only except salary. LTCG allowed. Brought forward. Correct? No. Hmm. So once it is brought forward, but it comes in the same head of income. This must be under remember, na. Important is what understand. This is little bit good. You can see, not good, but students at times forget that we can set off normal business loss against speculative income and not vice versa. This I have covered, so I'm not going in detail. Okay, everybody? Yeah. Can you go ahead, everybody? Chalo. Still, I don't know why. Still, I feel you will give wrong answers. Come on, bacho, prove me wrong. Computation off. Will you try? Computation total income of Aditya. If you were in classroom, I would have given you chocolates, but you are not there. Now, what to do? अच्छा courier parcel. वाह वाह वाह. चलेगा. Particulars, rupees. In CA foundation, I do that. It is a chocolate for maths, especially. Even in income tax, you can do chocolate question. That means if you give a correct answer first, obviously you'll get a chocolate. Ready, Delia? All of you? Try. All yours. चलेगा ना? Pendrive students, app students, even you do it. Come on. Pause the video, solve the question, and then confirm your answer. Then you restart the video. Okay?
Recording stopped.
Any doubt you can ask me. I have not stopped you from asking doubt. Okay, Niraj. ठीक है ना. I got your answer. Whether it is correct or not, I'll let you know. S3 not paid. Does not matter. 112 will come into picture. If not 112A, that's okay. It is still LTCL. Okay, Akshay. Okay, Nathan. Oh, no problem, Ansi. Take your time. Khushbu? No, Nitin. Yours and Akshay's answers match at times. No problem, Khushbu. Take your time. कुछ आया आंसर? ओके. खुशबू वही आंसर तुम्हारा इसमें से कुछ या समथिंग एल्स? ओके. Let's write down. Let's start.
Recording in progress.
Okay, Akshay. Good. Okay, these are the answers I got. 113, 163, 181. Okay. Let's write down, बच्चों. चलो. Let's start. Do we have salary? No. Answer is right. One of the answers is right. Achha, I did not tell. One of the answers is right, obviously. But those who gave 113,000, they did one error. That's why you got it. Ready? Income from salary. Income from salary, bachcho, what can you reduce? House property, so I'll take it in another column. Salary is 3 lakhs. So less bachcho HP loss. We don't have HP income na first. HP loss 2,50,000. First error students have done is this only. Yes, some of you have taken 2,50,000 as it is directly. Correct. The limit is 2 lakhs. Yes, fastest answer was Indrajit. Correct. Okay, everybody. Yes, no? HP loss 2 lakhs. HP loss can be maximum set off rupees 2 lakhs from other heads of income. Tell me, Bachu, is there any kind of rule that I have to set off HP loss only from salary first? There is no rule like that. There is no rule like that, okay? I can set off. Now pay attention. Just try to understand. Little bit. Pay attention. I can set off HP from speculative also. Normal business also. LTCG also. हाँ या ना? Fine, tell you. I can also बच्चों set off. Understand. Part from salary, part from PGBP, or part from speculative and part from LTCG. Total बच्चों, but I can what? Set off 2 lakhs. Is it okay, everybody? अरे हाँ, tell me. Fine, ना tell you. Shruti, are you there? Yes, you can. You can see the link over there in the comments, pinned comment over there. Everyone okay till here? Can we go ahead? What did I say? HP, you can set off anyhow. It is not compulsory. 2 lakhs you have to set off from one head of income, and that also from salary. Why we generally bachcho go for salary? Because salary is the only head of income which can set off HP. Salary is the only income which can set off any other losses, and which is HP loss. Agreed? Understood earlier? Fine. Because I'll be giving you alternate answer also, but let us first go with the straightforward answer. Okay. Anything else I can adjust from salary bachcho now? Nothing. So 1 lakhs. Yes, still everybody? Haan. Second, what do we have? Income from business, na? Business income. First one, normal business. That is trading. How much, bachcho? 45,000. Do I have to reduce anything from there? Yes, I can. What, bachcho? Brought forward business. Brought forward normal business loss. Yes, still here. So less. It was less. I should have written less. $5,000. Do I have to reduce anything else, bachcho, from there? Nothing. That is also reduced. Okay, till here? Fine. This is 40. Do I have speculative income? Yes. How much? 5,000. I can reduce, bachcho, what? Less? Speculative loss, na, bachcho, from here only, na, but. Speculative loss, 5,000 only. Can I reduce, bachcho, speculative loss from normal business income? No, na. I hope you're understanding. Clear till here, all of you? That is not allowed. The speculative income, bachcho, also nothing remains over there. At least over here. Hai na? This is 40,000, we'll take it. And thirdly, bachcho, what do we have? Third, LTCG. Long term capital gains. Yes, still here, all of you? Fine. What can I reduce? LTCL. LTCG is, bachcho, how much? 2 lakhs. Yes, still here? I have to, bachcho, compulsorily set off my within the head income, na, bachcho. So less LTCL. LTCL, bachcho, how much I have? Check. 75,000 and 1 lakh 2,000. Is it okay, everybody? $70,000 on shares. Same thing. Shares and shares. Only STD paid or STD not paid. है ना बच्चों? ठीक है? This can be your STD is not paid. I'll take it as unlisted shares. Fine बच्चों. Give me LTCG. 177 gone. तो 23,000 ना बच्चों. Yes, still here, all of you. Is it okay, all of you? Done? How much LTCG now taxable? Now anything else remains? iOS वगैरह, iOS or anything? Nothing. Race also we don't have anything, है ना बच्चों? Was this the only simple mistake you did, everybody? That's it, na? Nothing great, na? Is it 163 बच्चों? 163. Okay. Total income. Can I give you an alternate answer? Total income बच्चों will be 1,63,000. Okay. Again, okay, let me just say your basic taxation limit, the income is still below basic taxation limit. But again, from tax planning point of view, what should always be my point of view or my approach? That I want to reduce which income first? LTCG. Why? Because it is taxed at special rates, that is 20% directly, flat rate. So, bachcho, so, can I understand? Don't do anything in this answer, but just pay attention. Can I reduce this 2 lakhs first from LTCG? That means ultimately or effectively, bachcho, my LTCG will be nil. How? Right now, how much LTCG can you see taxable? 23,000. Okay, just understand. Okay, all of you understand clear? Right now, bachcho, LTCG, how much can you see taxable? 23,000. I am saying that HP loss now reduced from 23,000. Okay? Pay attention, bachcho. I can't directly reduce HP loss from this 2 lakhs. Why? I can't. I am asking you very basic questions now. Why can't I reduce HP loss directly from the 2 lakhs of LTCG? This first figure. Why, bachcho? I've already given you answer also some time back. Very good, Mansi. Yes, correct, Khushbu. First priority is always same head of, very good, Khushbu. Yeah. First priority is always bachcho same head of income. You have, it is compulsory. The word was used was bachcho compulsorily. You have to give the adjustment first in the same head of income. Clear? That's why LTCG first will finish LTCL only. Clear? Now what remains that can go in the other heads of, I mean, you can do the other heads adjustment. Understood, all of you? So what I'm saying, out of the 2 lakhs which we can reduce from house property, out of those 2 lakhs bachcho, first will finish off LTCG. Are हाँ. So LTCG bachcho 23,000 less from HP loss. So LTCG taxable how much? Nil. How much remains? HP loss. From 2 lakhs 23,000 gone. So what? 177 na? 170. 177. 177 bachcho will reduce from salary instead of 2 lakhs. Understood or no? ठीक है बच्चों? Is it okay? Understood, Nitin? Akshay? Indrajit? Right on. Alternatively. Alternatively, we can reduce, give a star mark here. Alternatively, we can reduce HP loss from LTCG first up to rupees 23,000, है ना? And balance rupees 1,77,000 from salaries. Therefore, income from salary was about 3 lakhs, na? Minus 177. Correct, all of you. So 123 over here. PGBP was what, 40,000 something? Same figure, na? 40,000. But LTCG bachcho now what? Nil. So answer is still the same. 163. But so obviously there will be an impact on tax liability. Clear deal? Especially when you are above basic exemption limit. Done. Everybody. Yeah? Because Indrajit, LTC is only 23,000 your balance. How can I take more than 23,000 here? See, first I have to give adjustment of current income, current head of income. From current head of income, LTC remains is 23,000. So I can reduce maximum 23,000 only, na? Samjha? Got it, na? Anybody, any other doubt? All okay? Cool. Okay. I think only one question remains then. Question number 10, 11.8. Fine. Ready, everybody? Mr. A furnishes to you the following information related to 31st March 22. Year ended 31st March 23, sorry, 22-23. Ready? Sorry. Income from plying of vehicles. Computed as per the books, proper books are there. Okay? He owned 5 light goods vehicles throughout the year. Income from plying of goods. What comes to your mind? Income from, it's not plying of goods, plying of vehicles. And again, they are telling you about light goods, vehicles, and all of that. So, what comes to your mind? 40 or what? AE, na macho? 40 or AE? You have AD, ADA, and AE. Remember that? PGBP. Right, all of you? Income from plying of vehicles, computed as per books. He owned 5 light goods vehicles. What is the rate? 7,500 rupees per month, na, per vehicle. Or 7,500 rupees per month or part of the month. Income from retail trade of garments. Sales turnover is only 1 crore 21 lakhs. Plying means moving. Plying means what, bacho? Moving. Moving of vehicles. Obviously, that vehicles are used bacho for what? But they are goods vehicles. Goods transportation. Okay? All right. Can you go ahead, everybody? What comes to your mind? Again, tell me. Income from retail trade of garments. Sales turnover is only 1.21 crores. Can we take 44 AD? Audit? Okay. Can we take 44 AD? Correct. It is less than 2 crores and business, individual, we can take bacho 44 AD. Okay. Then depreciation, he has a brought forward depreciation related to AY 2021. Okay. AY we change, no? And everyone there, no? And he deposited 70,000 into his PPF account. But the deposit in PPF account is what? Who is there online? Shruti, are you there online? YouTube? deduction, it is ATC deduction, okay, on 6th January 23. And rupees 30,000 in 5-year bank FD, that is also ATC, okay. Both of them are bacho eligible for ATC. That means total 1 lakh. Compute taxable income of Mr. A and his tax liability for AY 23-24 with reasons for your computation. Yes, Celia? Now we are not given bacho whether he opts for presumptive taxation or not. We can say, na? We can. Okay. So this 44 AE, this is 44 AD, है ना? The only question as such remains is, can we claim this or no in both the cases, okay? In case of presumptive taxation also. That we'll have to go back in PGBP chapter and look for the notes. What adjustments can we do? Okay, everybody till here? But chapter 6 is allowed. Chapter 6 bachcho is allowed in both the cases. Look bachcho what wordings are used. Compute tax liability also. Chalega? Can you do it, everybody? Sure, let's write down. I'm taking first case 1, that when presumptive taxation is opted. Case 1. Yes, all of you okay till here? Presumptive taxation is opted. Ready? Of Mr. A for AY 23-24. Particulars rupees. Fine, everybody? Fine, everybody? Let's start. Chalo. First one. Income from business only. It is PGBP only, na? The head of income. First one. Plying goods vehicle. Under section 44 AE. What is the presumptive rate, bacho? 7,500 rupees per month per vehicle. They have not given you number of months for which it was owned. So bacho will directly, and they're all light goods vehicle. है ना? So 7,500 per month into 12 months into 5 quantity or 5 vehicles, let me say. Okay? Comes to how much? 4,50,000, correct? And B बच्चों इनकम फ्रॉम रिटेल बिजनेस है ना. अंडर सेक्शन 44 AD, correct लियो. It is simple बच्चों, percentage of turnover. It is 1 crore 21 lakhs 70,000. Even if I take it on the higher side, I can take it as 8% non-cash, not non-cash, sorry, cash business, 8%. What assumption? Assumed All receipts are in cash. Yes, clear all of you? So 1 crore 21 lakh 70,000 into 8%. 9 lakh 73 600 है ना बच्चों, 9 lakh 73 600. Find it here. Give me this total. 13 or 14? 14. 1423 600. Yes, still here. And then we have one more adjustment from the same head of income. What? Brought forward depreciation. That means it is unabsorbed depreciation. Yes, everybody. Do we have any note over here in the textbook regarding brought forward depreciation and present taxation? If not, then you'll have to but go back in PGBP chapter and check. There has to be something given. We'll check from PGBP. चलेगा? Page 7.33, if you remember, or if you can see, we have already highlighted that. It is from what should we are talking about? Present taxation we had covered, okay? Everybody, present taxation. For your AD, AE, ADA, and all of that, okay? Check. Current losses and brought forward losses can be set off against such income. Okay. Current year as well as unobserved depreciation bachcho cannot be set off. Why? Because it is already assumed that all the deductions were claimed from section 30 to 38, something like that. Remember, no? So when depreciation is bachcho allowed, or allowed means what? It is assumed that it was allowed. So even bachcho, earlier years will also be, it will not be allowed to be set off because it is already allowed as a deduction that will be assumed. But chapter 6A is allowed because it is taken from GTI bachcho. Clear? It is allowed to be reduced. Done or no? Understood or no? 7.33. Done? Write down. So can we set off? Tell me bachcho, can we set off unabsorbed depreciation from presumptive income? No. Answer is no. Clear everybody? We'll write on that as notes. That is also bachcho my gross total income because I don't have any other income. है ना? Finally, yeah. ATC, what had they given you? PPF contribution, PPF and FD, I think, है ना? Total was 1 lakh, bachcho. So my NTI is 13 lakh 23 600. At least bachcho give me tax liability. Come on, quickly. It is asked, na? Tax liability calculation.
A calculation is a deliberate mathematical process.
इधर भी चालू हो जाती है सुन के. Correct. Mansi, correct. Ready, everybody? Basic income tax. Nil. First 2.5 lakhs. Then next 12,500. Then next 1 lakhs. And on 3,23,600, 30%. Give me this last wala figure. 3,23,600 into 30%. 90,000 something. I don't know. 97,080. Okay. And add in that 1,12,500. 2,09,580 something. Correct, Leo? Add health and education cess at the rate of 4%. 83 something. 0.2 something. So it comes to 2,17,963, but we'll round it off to 2,17,960. Tax liability rounded off under section बच्चों. To 88B. Hello everybody. Very important note we are going to write down. Current day depreciation or brought forward depreciation, that is unobserved depreciation, cannot be reduced from presumptive taxation. Since it is assumed all deductions from section 30 to 38 are already allowed. Fandilia, the second point. Chapter 6 deduction is allowed. Okay. From presumptive income. Okay. Case 2. Calculation बच्चों as per normal provisions. Calculation बच्चों as per normal provisions. That is बच्चों are presumptive not opted. Find it all of you. Particulars rupees. Fine everybody. Figures are ready-made बच्चों given to you, so we don't even have to do anything over there. है ना? Ready बच्चों? Where were we? Question number 10. Income from business. First, flying goods vehicle. Means transportation, right? Goods vehicle means what? Flying means what? Transportation for easier language, okay? Fine, tell you. Flying goods vehicles. It is already given to you. A computer as per books is how much? 3,20,000. Given to you, no? Then B, retail business. As per books, how much bachcho profit? 7,50,000. Total is 10,80, 1070, sorry. Can we reduce or no now? Unabsorbed depreciation. Everybody? अरे बोलो हाँ हाँ या ना whatever it is. We can now. We can. So less बच्चों. Brought forward and absorbed depreciation. How much was that? 1 lakh. That is बच्चों my GTI. 9,70,000. ठीक है everybody? Less chapter 6A. Section 80C. Both the figures 70 and 30. 1 lakh. Net total income. $870 है ना बच्चों? हे भगवान. Done everybody? Give me tax liability बच्चों. Come on. Give me बच्चों. Basic income tax. $8 lakh what? Not 8 lakh, sorry. 8,70,000 is taxable in this, no? Okay. Correct. So 86,500 बच्चों before, है ना? 86,500. I hope so. This is correct. अरे first nil, then 12,500, then on 3,70,000, 20%, 20%, no? 3,70,000 na? So what? 3,70,000, 37. Correct, no? 37, what? 74. Is it right? Add. Health and education says at the rate of 4%, 3,460, I think. And then final tax liability, total tax liability. Yesterday all of you 89 960. Yes, which one is preferable, bachcho? Presumptive or no presumptive? No presumptive, that is normal. But if my bachcho normal business income is less than presumptive income, है कि नहीं बच्चों? We'll have to maintain all the books of accounts or no? We'll have to maintain first of all the books of accounts, because you want to, let us say you want to go for normal normal provision ना बच्चों, है ना? You don't want to claim presumptive. So for that, you'll have to maintain all the books of account, because this is saving you lots of tax liability. No doubt about it. है ना? So you'll have to maintain all the books of accounts, as well as, now what will happen? Tell me now. Audit will be applicable. Why? Why, Dada? Why? Tell me. Because my turnover is more than 1 crore. Because my turnover is बच्चों more than rupees 1 crore. हाँ या ना? Right till everybody? What is the limit now? 44 AB limit is what, बच्चों? 1 crore only, ना? Tell me. And if it is non-cash, less than 5% receipts and payments, then 10 crore. Tell me quickly. So 44 AB बच्चों, audit limit is what? 1 crore. But if both payments as well as receipts are less than, the payments and receipts are not in cash, or the cash receipts and payments are less than 5% of total payments and receipt, then my turnover limit is 10 crores. Yes, चलिए. That also we had covered बच्चों in PGBP, है ना? So I'll right now बच्चों take it as 1 crore limit only, and since my turnover is more than 1 crore, we will say audit is also applicable. चलेगा? Write down notes. Tax liability is lower if normal provisions are applied. Next line, if presumptive income is more than income as per if presumptive income is more than income as per books, then books of account as per section 44 double A, correct लियो, and tax audit under section 44 AB will be applicable. Final year? Second. If he chooses to opt out of presumptive, means what? Opt out. Ouch. if he chooses to opt out of residential taxation in the current year, okay, then he can't opt again. For presumptive taxation or presumptive scheme for how many years? Correct. Those are bachcho giving only one group or whatever studies you're doing bachcho, whatever time you have, especially go chapter wise revision. You should target chapter wise. Set a deadline of 1 week, something, whatever you want, depending on your timetable, and target that this chapter I'll finish by the next weekend or something, or in 7 days. What will you do? You will do, but you read the theory first. Take 1 hour, 2 hour, read the theory. You may find it boring or interesting or whatever, or you can break it down. For 1 hour, read theory, take a break, do something else, then again read theory of the next part, and then from that start from our textbook or notebook. Means what? Start solving sums. You can do all alternate sums, or after every third sum you read all the questions and answers, but actual practicing in the rough book you can do every second or third question depending on how confident you are. Then what you can do is try similar question on your own. You have seen my pattern. I do one basic with you, some more advanced, and then again you can go ahead, and I hope then you become ready for the next question. So once you are ready with some basic questions, try some question on your own without looking in the answer, and then compare, are you making some mistakes or no. Once this is entire chapter is over from our textbook, then you should definitely cover all your previous year questions, MTP and RTP, as long as they are bachcho with the same adjustment, or you can say following the same law, if there is no amendment in that particular concept. Are you getting my point? You have to bachcho finish ICAIs or whatever institutes study material also. Study material means mainly MTP, RTP and your previous exam papers. Without that, you are not ready for exams, I'm telling you. The thing what you can I can feel right now is you're taking so casually, or you have a memory problem that you can't recollect. That is a major challenge in income tax, and income tax is only for 60 marks, I'm telling you so many times. This becomes a big problem. You are not very far also from exams, but not very close. You have sufficient time to make all the, you can say, not conceptual clarity, you have conceptual clarity. The problem is about memory also now, that you need to memorize all the concepts properly. So read again. Income tax is something, in fact, when students are opting for both the groups and doing classes of group 2 also, that time also we recommend, I especially recommend, even when group 2 is going on, take out half an hour or 1 hour and read only income tax provision. Just stay in touch with the chapter or subject, is very important, because it is vast, lengthy, confusing, and lots of complications are involved. Income tax is one of the trickiest as such. It won't be that tough to understand, but once you understand, there are so many complications involved. Understood clear, all of you? So always give top priority to income tax. You want to pass, you have to pass in income tax also. Don't take this subject lightly. People have big problem. Then again you have to go for fast track batches, somebody's amendment batches, and get it done. Don't do that time pass. Changing of teachers or changing of, you can say, notes is a big task. Okay, so that's why I'm giving you reference material also. You can use ICS study materials or some other reference book is also okay, but get your concepts cleared and by hearted properly. Okay, clear all of you? I think all the questions are done from this chapter now, you know, at least the practical ones. Again, for homeworks, read off or finish off bachcho your study material also. Okay, as a homework you have to finish off with the classes itself, you know. Okay everybody, so it was, again, this was a very interesting chapter. Not that tough, but when I'm telling you this clubbing, carry forward, set off, TDS or separate questions are asked on it. Okay, all of you? Fine. If you see some good or new questions here, finish them off also. I've covered, I think, most of it or almost all of it. But if you want, you can go through it. Okay, everybody? You know, you have covered everything almost you have covered. You will see similar questions. So I take care that I cover study material. Plus, I obviously, you know, I give lots of extra questions also. You know? Chalega? So income from this, I mean, carry forward and set off of losses bachcho chapter is also over. Alright?
Recording stopped.
बोलो क्या करें टैक्स या लॉ 4:15 बजे दैट नो शेड्यूल विल बी फिक्स नाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट विद इनकम टैक्स ऑल्सो इन हाफ एन आवर 12 से 1:15 तक समथिंग 1:15 तुम्हारी मर्जी कोई दिक्कत नहीं शाम को भी कोई लॉ ही रहेगा फिर ठीक है See, when I was not able to take that time, so I told you to start group 2, no? So now I have extra time. You also have extra time, most of you. So that's why I have to finish it off, no? Okay, no problem. We'll start with law at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. See you at bachcho. 12 o'clock. Rupees 12 o'clock. No? Okay? Everybody? हाँ. We'll start with law at 12 o'clock. ठीक है? Section 108, I think we were in section 108, ना? बराबर चलेगा ठीक है बच्चों ओके डाटा बाय इनकम टैक्स फिर कल ही रहेगा कल सुबह पक्के से कल तो पक्का बच्चों 9:30 बजे रहेगा नहीं कितना 9 से 11 मेरा लेक्चर है ना वहाँ पे हाँ तो 11:15 समथिंग टुमारो इनकम टैक्स मे बी देन विल टेक सेकंड हाफ ऑल्सो इनकम टैक्स थोड़ा सा कल ऐसा कुछ कर सकता है चलेगा ऑल ऑफ यू फाइनली एवरीबॉडी यूट्यूब वालों बाय बाय